Hey everyone, how are you? So it's been few days that I was not able to create videos on Leetcode solutions basically for the problem of the day. But now I am back. I was not available for a few days, but now I am back and I will be creating the videos regularly. So let us solve the today's problem of the day question, and the question is convert the binary number in a linked list to integer. So basically in this particular problem, we are given a linked list, and linked list is a very simple data structure. Basically we are given a singly linked list. So it's a very simple data structure in which one data is connected to other data using the address, or I would say the reference. So we are given a singly linked list and we need to convert this singly linked list to a integer, basically a decimal number. This linked list will have numbers like 1 or 0. Basically the linked list is representing a binary number, and we need to convert this binary number to a decimal number. So to convert a binary number to a decimal number is very easy. Let me show you how. Let us say this particular linked list is there, and this particular linked list is denoting a binary number 101. So basically 101, let us say your binary number is 101. Now if you want to convert this particular binary number 101 to decimal in Python, you can do it in a very easy way. You can say d, let us say the decimal number is equal to, you can pass your binary number in the int function, and you can tell that the base of the binary number is 2. That is, this is my number and this particular number is having a base of 2. A binary number have a base of 2. Base of 2 means it consists of two digits, 0 and 1. If you talk about decimal number, it has a base of 10 because it contains total 10 different digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So we are converting a binary number to a decimal number. This is the way we can convert, and we can say return the value of d, right? But right now we are not given the number as a string. We are given the number as a linked list. Now let me show you how can you solve this particular problem by converting your linked list in a string like this. You can convert your linked list to a string, and then you can pass that string to convert it to a decimal number. Later on we are going to see another way to how to solve this particular problem without any external space or without any extra space. So first of all, let us see the easy way. What you can say is, right now we are having an empty string, but let us traverse the linked list. Traversing a linked list is very easy. Head means this is our head of the linked list. We can say while we have a value in our head, while the head is not pointing to a null data or an empty data, we can just run this loop and we can say b is equal to b plus head dot val. Basically this head is having two properties, val and next. Val means what's the value of this particular node, and next means what is this node next connected to. This node is referring to another node, this particular node will refer to another node, and this particular one is not referring to any other node, so we can stop. So we basically need to move forward, right? So we can say head will be equal to head dot next. So right now what we are having is, we are having an empty string. We are traversing our linked list and we are trying to convert, or we are basically trying to fetch the values from the linked list, the 1 and zeros, which are basically representing our binary number. And once we have our binary number as a string, we can directly convert it using the int function. Now I can run this code, and I hope this particular problem is solved by this particular solution. Okay, we are getting an error, and I know what this error is. We can only concatenate string and not integer. Basically the data in our nodes are integer and b is a string. So let me convert my integer to a string, and this is going to solve the problem. Now I can just run the code. This is going to pass the sample test cases. Now I can submit this, and I'm sure all the test cases will be passed. So let us wait. And yes, the runtime is pretty good. The memory used is pretty good as well, but we can actually improve the memory uses in this particular problem. Yes, this is a good solution, but I think there is a better way. We can just bypass this extra space. We can convert our numbers to integer. We can convert our binary number to integer without this extra string. And let me show you how. First of all, let me show you another way. Let me try to show you the intuition behind the solution. So if I ask you that I have some numbers in a list, let us say the numbers are 1, 5, 8, 9 and 0. Now if this is a decimal number digits, and if I ask you if this is a linked list, not a list but a linked list, can you find the original decimal number using these digits? So we can say that yes, the number is 15890, 15,890, right? But how can you solve this? See, the thing is, it's a linked list and not a normal list. In a linked list, in a singly linked list, what's given in the problem is a singly linked list. It means we can traverse from left to right and we cannot go back. Basically every node is referring to the next node, and once we are on the next node, we cannot go back, right? Still, can you tell me what is this number? Can you try to find out a way how to convert these digits to the actual decimal number? So the thing is, it's a very easy process, guys, and it's a basic mathematics. See, the thing is, this one is telling me that my number is going to start from 1, right? As of now, if I tell you that this is my digit, forget about these digits 5, 8, 9 and 0, and this is the only digit, then this is going to be my number, right? Now if I tell you that there is another 5 next, forget about 8, 9 and 0, there is another 5, then what are you going to do? A simple process is, you can say, okay, my number is 1 as of now, there is another 5 after this 1. It means that I can say 1 multiplied by 10, right, plus 5. I mean, I know I am trying to show you the formula directly, but try to think about this. I know you guys know this formula. See, the thing is, if there is another digit which is being there after my 1, then 1 is a more significant digit as compared to 5, right? Compared to 5, 1 is contributing more to my number, right? If I'm saying 1 is a number and 5 is a number, 5 is more than 1, right? But if I put this 5 after this 1, right now this 1 is actually contributing a total of 10, and this 5 is actually contributing a total of 5, and that's why the number is 15, right? This particular number. So right now the formula is very simple. If this is a decimal number, these are decimal number digits, then the base is 10. There are total 10 digits. Every digit is contributing a total power of 10, right? So I can say 1 will be multiplied by 10, so that I can say, okay, this 5 is there, or whatever, 5, 4, 3, whatever number is there, let us say 2 is there, right? I don't care about this 2. I just care that if there is another digit after 1, right? As of now, if I just have a 1, okay, the number will be 1. But if there is another digit, let us say x after this 1, then this 1 will be multiplied by 10, right? This 1 will have more significance to our complete number. And now this 10 will be added with x, right? This x will be added in my 10, and let us say the value of x is 5 or 6, then this will become 16, right? This is the basic logic of solving, or basically converting a numbers, or basically a digits into a number. So I can say 1 will be multiplied by 10, and then I will add this 2. Okay, let me say, let's add this 2, and this will now become 10 into 1, 10 plus 2 will be 12, right? So right now this is 12. I have a number 12, and there is another digit which I am trying to put forward in front of 10, in the right hand side of 12, not 10 but 12. In the right hand side of 12, if I put another 8, then you can say, okay, let me multiply this 12 by 10, because now the significance of this 12 is more. 12 multiplied by 10 is equal to 120, and now this number will have the least significance. It will be added as the number itself, plus 8, it will be 128. Then again you have a 9, you can say, okay, if I have a 9, I can just say 128 multiplied by 10 plus this 9, this will be equal to 1280, and plus 9, this will be equal to 1289, right? And then again we have a 0, I can again multiply this by 10 and plus 0, so 12890, that's my final number, right? So the formula here is, I can just take my current number, whatever is my current number, multiply my current number with the base, plus add the digits, whatever the digit is coming up, right? If it is the first digit, it will be, as of now, 0 multiplied by 10 plus 1. Then we can get the value of 1 from this one digit, right? Then we have this 2 coming in. I can say, okay, whatever is my current value, it is equal to 1. Whatever is my current value, it is 1 multiplied by 10 plus my current digit, right? Same thing we need to do in case of binary. If the number is, let us say, 101, or let us say it starts with 0, 0101, it will still be equal to 5, right? Because this 0 has no significance in any number. If we put a 0 in front of any number in the left hand side of any number, let us say 67, if I put many zeros here, it is of no use. But if I put 1 0 here, it is of much use, right? It is of more significance as compared to putting the digit in the left hand side. So let me show you one example. 101 is there. I can say, I take, as of now my number is 0, I get the first digit, I can say, okay, multiply my current number with the base. Binary number has a base of 2 plus the current digit, right? That is going to be the complete formula. So I can say my current number will be equal to b equal to 0. Now while we have a value of head, I can say b will be equal to b multiplied by 2, right? We are going to multiply our current number with 2 plus whatever is the value coming in as a digit, right? So here what we are doing is, we are just having a single integer number which is 0 as of now. We are trying to convert our digits in the binary to decimal without using any extra string or any extra list of space, right? This is the complete formula. This is the main formula you need to understand. Multiply your number, multiply your current number with the base plus the current digit. Now you can run this particular code, and this is going to pass the sample test cases. Okay, we are using some variable which is not defined. Let me see what is happening. Okay, so we are returning d. Let me get rid of d. We need to return this value b, right? Now I can say run, and this is going to run, and this is going to pass the sample test cases. We can submit this, and this is going to pass all the test cases for this particular problem. Yes, the runtime is good, the memory is good. This particular solution is having a space complexity of O of 1 and not O of n. Earlier when we were trying to use a string, the space complexity was O of n. So we have done some improvement. So although it is a very easy problem, and although the solution with the string is also fine, but you should know this trick. because I know you guys know about this, but sometimes we are not able to apply those things which we already know because we have not applied those things in a particular way in our code. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helps you to understand the problem and the solution approach as well. And I hope you gained something after watching this video. And if you did, then make sure that you hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel as of now, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, guys.